I could show you how I photographed a total lunar eclipse, but that's not the story I came home with. I could tell you I walked onto a dune overlooking the sea, trying to get just high enough to see the blood moon rise. I could also tell you what gear I brought, and I could have talked you through it right there and then. I could tell you there was only a short window to catch the moon deep in shadow, and that I watched the haze, hoping the moon would break through in time. I could try to explain how dim the moon was, hanging just above the sea. And I could tell you about my camera settings and how quickly I had to adapt when the sunlight began to touch the moon again. I could tell you what worked and what didn't, and just how challenging everything was. And I could also tell you that I captured every phase of the event from shadow to light. And I could even explain how a total lunar eclipse works. But I won't. Because something happened out there. Something no settings or gear list could explain. So I didn't talk to the camera. I didn't run through my lines. Because I'm done trying to explain everything, knowing I can't bring you with me. And anything I say would spoil the magic of the moment that was already complete. So instead, I tried to be really there and to just feel it. It's quiet out here. And I wish so much you could experience this moment too. So I will keep trying to hold this moment in my images, even though I know I will fail because no picture can make you feel what I felt. And yet, I want proof that I was there, that I witnessed the incredible magic of a total lunar eclipse. But that picture is mainly for me. It will help me remember. But it will never mean the same to you. Because some things you just have to see for yourself.